morning, children. So we are continuing our chapter 22, page 119, 120 and 121. I'll explain you. And further this is direct and indirect speech. Yeah. See, may changes to might and can changes to could. Examples. Geeta said, I may accompany my mother to the get together. Direct. Now, indirect will be Geeta said that she may is changed to might accompany her mother to the get together. Rashi said, I can play the piano well. Rashi said that she, now she is for Rashi, okay? I is for Rashi, so here it will become she could play the piano well. Shall changes to should and will changes to would. Garima said the carpenter shall come on Sunday. Garima said that the carpenter should come on Sunday. The lady said the guests shall arrive before the weekend. The lady said that the guests should arrive before the weekend. Raghav said, we will sleep early. Raghav said that they would sleep early. Now, if a sentence in indirect speech conveys a universal truth or habitual fact, the tense of the indirect speech is not changed to the past tense but remains the same. She said it rains heavily during the rainy season. Okay, she said that it rains heavily during the rainy season. It will not change. Okay, the sentence will remain the same. Mother said Rima is always helpful to others. Mother said that Rima is always helpful to others. Now rewrite the following sentences in indirect speech with required changes in tenses as explained earlier. So these all children I will fill and send you. Now changes in pronouns. Personal pronouns I, we, you, they, she, he, and possessive pronouns hers, ours, mine, yours also change. Read the sentence given below. He says, I have a new water bag. He says that, now I is for he. So he has a new water bottle. Now I is the first person pronoun in direct speech. The introductory verb is says. So I changes to the same person as the subject of the introductory verb. He in reported speech. She says the book is mine. She says that the book is hers. The possessive pronoun in direct speech also change into the same person as the subject of the introductory verb in reported speech. Now page 120. Yeah. Now in the above sentence, the introductory verb is says. The possessive pronoun mine changes to hers, which is in the same person as subject of the introductory verb, that is she. Pronouns of the second person you are changed into the same person as the object of the introductory verb. Rita said to him, you can sing well. Now introductory verb is said, object is him. So Rita told him that he could sing well in indirect. Okay. In sentence 1, him is the object of the introductory verb said. So when we change it into indirect speech, the second person pronoun you changes into the same person as the object him of the introductory verb. It is rewritten as he in reported speech. So you changes to he. Mohan said to her, the bag is yours. Okay, introductory is said and object is her. In this sentence, the reporting verb is said, its object is her. Now let us rewrite this in indirect speech. Mohan told her that the bag was hers. Here the possessive adjective yours has changed according to the person of her. The object of the reporting verb said in sentence 2 and is rewritten as hers. The pronoun yours changes to hers. Pronouns of the third person, that is he, she, they, it, remain unchanged. She said he does not like donuts. She said that he did not like donuts. He said she wrote the report in detail. He said that she had written the report in details, indirect, okay? In example 1, the third person pronoun he remains unchanged in indirect speech. In example 2, the third person pronoun she remains unchanged in direct speech. Now these also I will give you answers, children. You will have to copy down in very neat and clean handwriting. Okay. Now page 121. Rewrite the following sentences correctly using the correct pronouns given in the brackets to fill in the blanks. Now this also I will fill for you. From here I am explaining you. Changes in possessive adjectives. Now possessive adjectives like my, you, your, her, his, its are changed into possessive adjectives of the same person as that of the subject of the reporting verb. I said I have submitted my project. I said, now I is reporting verb, said is reporting verb, this is subject, this is reporting verb. I have submitted my project. Now I said that I had submitted my project. Next, you said I have submitted my project. You said that you had submitted your project. She said I have submitted my project. She said that she had submitted her project. Now possessive adjective of the third person remains unchanged. Okay. The dancer said, I am satisfied with my performance. The dancer said that she was satisfied with her performance. You said, I have lost my bag. She said, I have to find my way. This I write for you, children. In changing words denoting time, place and position. While changing a sentence from direct speech to indirect speech, we need to change the words that point to time, place and position of something. Read the sentences given below. Meena said, I met an old friend yesterday. Meena said that she had met an old friend the day before. The word yesterday in direct speech has changed to that day before, to the day before in the indirect speech. Here are some more words which indicate time, place and position that change in the indirect speech. Okay children, further I do in the next video.